Good day everyone, welcome. Today I'm telling you how to foreclose your RBL credit card EMI, a smart move to clear your debt early and save on interest. Whether it's a big purchase or a split and pay plan, I've got the steps to wrap it up fast. Let's dive in. First, know what you're dealing with. Log into the RBL MyCard app or the rblbank.com with your credentials. Head to the credit card section and open EMI options. Find your active EMI. It'll show the outstanding principal, remaining tenure, and any foreclosure charges, usually 3% of the unpaid amount. Make sure you've got enough funds to cover it all. Step 2. You can reach out to RBL. You can call their helpline for regular cards and tell them that you want to foreclose your EMI and to give your card number and EMI details. They will confirm the exact payoff amount, including any fees, so you're not guessing. Next, pay it off. Use the RBL MyCard app or net banking to transfer the full amount from your linked account. Select Pay EMI, Foreclosure, or follow their instructions. You can also visit a branch with a cash or a check if you're old school. Double check the total with the rep first. Step 4. Verify it's done. After payment, you'll get an SMS or email confirmation from RBL. Log back into your account. The EMI should show as closed, and your credit limit should jump back up. If it's not updated in a day, ping customer care again. And that's it. You've foreclosed your RBL credit card EMI. Check details, call support, pay it off, and confirm. Guys, if you need more tips, subscribe to our channel and of course like the video to support us, and I'll see you in the next one.